This is the mountain house. The mountain house stands on a vertical rock wall overlooking a forest and a mountain. To reach the house, you can take a walkway. Upon opening the front door, you will be greeted with a stunning living room featuring a large window that illuminates every corner. The mountain view creates a beautiful connection between the living room and the nature outside. In the living room, there is a staircase at the center of the house with glass that leads to the other two floors. Behind the stairs on the first floor, there is a small, bright kitchen and a luxurious bathroom. On the second floor, there is a balcony overlooking the living room. Behind the balcony, you will find the first two bedrooms. Each bedroom is equipped with a bed, a desk, and a wardrobe. Additionally, on the second floor, you can access a beautiful terrace that offers an incredible view of the forest. On the third floor, there is a master bedroom with a beautiful bed and side windows that offer views of the forest outside. On one side of the hallway, illuminated by a skylight, there is another bedroom. And on the other side of the bedrooms, there is a beautiful studio. The studio offers a stunning view of the natural surroundings outside. The house has a rectangular shape and features a large window that is covered by vertical wooden panels. These panels act as a screen from the outside, allowing light to pass through and providing a view of the interior from the inside. Additionally, the wooden panels help to reduce the amount of solar energy that enters the house, which can help to keep the interior cool on hot summer days. The mountain house features vertical side windows that let in natural light into the bedrooms. During the night, the house is warm and well lit, blending into the forest and integrated into the rock behind it. The cozy mountain house accommodates up to 5 people. It boasts modern architecture and stunning views of nature. The mountain house is a peaceful place where you can admire the beauty of the mountains. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the project, feel free to write them down in the comments. Stay tuned for the next project video.